been following me on Instagram, then you know that I've recently changed out the throttle body on the car. Went from the factory unit to a jet Powr-Flo. So I did that a while back. And anytime you do something like that, there's a relearn process for the car. And I'm almost done with that. You can still tell that there's some hard downshifting, but still kind of fine tuning where it needs to be. So like I say, that's almost done. But first impressions so far, cannot complain. You can definitely tell the difference in the throttle response. When you push the gas, the accelerator, the car moves. So I don't know if that's from the design of the Powr-Flo or if it's just from having a new throttle body on it. But either way, the difference is noticeable. I like it. Can't complain. Like I say, the throttle response is there, and it's power on tap. I like it. Very good. Very, very good. So bottom line, would I recommend the Jet Powr-Flo? Absolutely. I would say either that or getting the stock throttle body ported. I think that would help out a lot. I'd say don't really need to do anything more than that, in my opinion, unless you're going power adder or something like that. But all in all, stock, miter, just the typical bolt-ons, ported or Jet Powr-Flo.